The first thing you need to do before doing a titration, you need to rinse the burette. So making sure the tap is off, you then need to fill the burette with just a wash solution. Now, you need to be careful to have the tip of the pipette hard up against the edge of the burette. It stops any bubbles forming and you get an airlock. It stops any airlocks forming. So you just run this around the edge. So it's done. You turn the tap fully on and the solution will run out of the burette. That is your wash. Now you need to fill the burette to approximately 0 on the scale on the burette. Making sure the tap is off, or else it just runs straight into the waste beaker. So when you fill the burette, you fill it over the 0 mark. You overfill it. This is because you have an air bubble down in the tip of the burette. So to remove that air bubble, you turn the tap fully on and you'll see the bubble move out of there. Done. Okay. And you need to make sure the volume of the liquid is close to the 0 mark. It does not have to be exactly 0, it just needs to be approximately 0. As you can see, the bottom of the meniscus is below the 0 mark. You need to record that value as your initial reading. After you've pipetted into the conical flask, you then add a couple of drops of your indicator. Now we'll titrate after recording the initial reading. Constant swirling, you add the sodium hydroxide. Now that was a rough titration, so the next titration you do a lot more accurately. That was approximately 2.1 mils. So you take note of that, and at about 1.8 mils, you just do it drop-wise from that point, so you get the correct end point. Okay. Before you start your next titration, you need to refill the burette to near the 0 mark, taking note of the initial reading. which in this case is 0.00. So you need to remember to add your indicator. So I'm slowing the drops down so I can get the endpoint exact. It's getting very close. It's getting more blue forming. And that was a pretty good endpoint. And you take note of that reading, which in this case is 2.06 mils. So the total volume of that titration was 2.06 minus 0.00, so 2.06 mils.